Hello everyone, welcome to you all in today's class of English. Open your textbook, open page number 52. Activity 5 of lesson number 6 will start. Activity 5, work in pairs. Take up the roles of Devi and her friend Riya. You have magic eyes and magic feet. You can go anywhere you like and you can see whatever you want. Make a list of places you would want to visit and a list of things you would like to see. In this activity, you have to take up the role of Devi and Riya. Means you have to be Devi and Riya with magical powers, magic eyes and magic feet. You and your friend or your brother or sister. So, one of you will be Devi and one of you will be Riya. So, whoever will be Devi, that one will have magic eyes, and whoever will be Riya, that one will have magic feet. So, then you have to think that which places you want to go. आप कौन से प्लेसेस पर जाना चाहते हो. आपको देवी और रिया का रोल प्ले करना है. देवी के पास मैजिक आइज थी और रिया के पास मैजिक फीट थे. तो आपको ये रोल प्ले करना है. और आप फिर कौन सी जगह पर जाना चाहते हो. दोज नेम्स यू हैव टू राइट हियर. प्लेसेस आई वुड गो टू. आप जो भी जगह पर जाना चाहते हो उसके नेम्स आपको यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. एंड थिंग्स आई वुड लाइक टू सी. आप जो चीज़ें देखना चाहते हो उसके नेम्स यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. प्लेसेस आई वुड गो टू मीन्स विथ मैजिक फीट यू कैन गो टू दैट प्लेस. तो रिया का रोल प्ले जो करेगा वो कहाँ पे जाना चाहता है उस प्लेसेस के नेम्स यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. एंड थिंग्स आई वुड लाइक टू सी मीन्स मैजिक आईज. सो हियर यू हैव टू सी. सो प्लेसेस आई वुड गो टू मीन्स लाइक यू कैन राइट Himalayas, the moon, Mount Abu, Girnar, Saputara. Like these places names you can write. Things I would like to see. आप कौन सी चीज़ें देखना चाहते हो. So maybe here you can write like land of fairies, the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China, a garden full of flowers, a place where there are no schools. Like that you can different names write. So this you have to write by yourself. Activity 6. Look around the classroom. Look out the windows of your classroom. If you had magic eyes, what are the things you would like to move? What would you say to move them? Here it is written about classroom. So you can just imagine about classroom, but you have to do one thing. Just now you are at home, so you just look around your house. आपके घर की जो विंडो है उससे आपको बाहर देखना है और आपको जो भी सारी चीज़ें दिखाई दे रही है फ्रॉम ऑल दोज थिंग्स. यू थिंक यू हैड मैजिक आइज. आपके पास मैजिक आइज है तो आपको जो भी चीज़ें दिखाई दे रही है उसमें से आप कौन सी चीज़ें मूव करोगे और उस चीज़ों को मूव करने के लिए आप क्या बोलोगे ये आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है. थिंग्स आई वुड मूव द मैंगो ट्री. एंड फॉर टू मूव मैंगो ट्री दिस इज वॉट आई वुड से. प्लीज कम टू मी मैंगो ट्री. मैंगो ट्री को मूव करने के लिए क्या कहना है. प्लीज़ कम टू मी मैंगो ट्री. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट द अदर थिंग्स हियर एंड फॉर ऑल दोज थिंग्स यू हैव टू मेक अ सेंटेंस. Maybe if you write here chair. So please come to me, chair. If you write here spoon, so write please come to me, spoon. Like this you have to write about the different things. This activity also you have to write by yourself. Now let's move to the next page. See on page number 53. Activity 7. Write the following words in alphabetical order as in a dictionary and find their meanings. Here some words are given. They all are not in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means A, B, C, D. So they are not written according to ABCD wise. So first we'll arrange it into alphabetical order. How to arrange? So we'll find the word which start from A. If the word is not given which is starting from A, so we'll take B, then C or D. Like that you have to take the words. So CALL call, 1 number, 2 number DART dart, 3 number DISAPPEAR disappear, 4 number ENTER enter, 5 number HUG hug, 6 number LOOK look, 7 number REMEMBER remember, 8 number SHIVER shiver, 9 number SMILE smile, 10 number SNATCH snatch, 11 number START start, 12 number WASH wash, 13 number WONDER wonder. So all these words we have to write the number here, put the numbers here. Then in the given spaces you have to write their meanings. So I have not written words and their meanings both together because here the space is very small. So I have just written their meanings in these blanks. So 1 number call, CALL call, and its meaning is to shout by one's name. Right here. 2 number dart means to shoot. 3 number disappear means to go away. 4 number enter means to get in. 5 number hug means to hold close or to hold tight. 6 number look means to see. 7 number remember means to keep in mind. 8 number shiver means to tremble. 9 number smile means to grin. 10 number snatch means to take. 11 number start means to begin. 12 number wash means to clean with water. 13 number wonder means to think. Children, you have to write all these meanings in your textbook. You have to complete activity 5, 6 and 7 in your textbook and write activity 7 in your notebook too. So, here I complete our today's session. Have a nice day. Goodbye.